Welcome back, craft beer lovers. Ready to review another beer. This one is from Blizzard Brewing down in the Victorian High Country, and it's the Blade Runner Belgian Pale. Now I'm pretty sure I had this back at the Hops Harvest Festival in Beechworth last year. I met the brewer Mark, who from Blizzard, and he gave one down there. This looks to me like I mean, it's a different can. I'm guessing it's probably a similar recipe, maybe just redone, but yeah, they claim to be Australia's highest brewery down there, and I've got no reason to doubt them, and they do make some good beers. So and I love a Belgian Pale Ale. There's something about it that you know, it's got that nice Belgian yeast without going the full Belgian, you know, triple or quad, with all the big boozy elements. So don't quite pick it up on the nose. Sweet, yeah, there's just a little bit of that musty yeast. Nice colour, sort of golden brown, beautiful creamy head. Looks good in the glass. Gotta say, I do like Belgian Pale Ales. I reckon they are the they're like a sleeper. They're, you know, every time, there's not many people that brew them, but every time I've had one, I've really enjoyed it. The guys at Rocks Brewing, I think, did one last year, and it was a limited release, Afterburner or something like that, which I really liked. That might have been a Belgian IPA, but Belgian Pale, Belgian IPA, a really nice style. Like I said, you get the Belgian sort of yeast flavour, that sort of sweet, you know, thick syrupy flavour that you get with Belgians, but without, you know, being really boozy like you would expect with a, you know, a triple or a quad or even a double. But they're refreshing. Yeah, I really like this. Geez, I reckon Belgian Pale Ale's most underrated style going around. Would be really good with spicy food. Just, you know, nice and fresh and cut through that. It's a good sipper too. You wouldn't want to sit on it too long. I think if it got too warm, it'd get a little bit syrupy. But a hot day, nice and cold, straight out of the fridge, and I'm really enjoying that. So, well done, Mark. Well done, Blizzard. Well done for all the people who brew Belgian Pale Ales, Belgian IPAs, because I'm a big fan. And if you haven't had one before, get out and try it, because remember, life's too short to drink bad beers. Cheers.